Hey guys, it's Mike Borgen from Modern Horizon Homes, brokered by Real LLC. Today we are going to be exploring the Dahlia floor plan, one of the newest communities located here in the southern section of Port St. Lucie, Florida. The name of this community is Kenley at Tradition. This community will be part of the Tradition Master Plan community zone, consists of only 214 single-family homes and is filling up fast. The standard Dahlia floor plan offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, along with a flex room. If you're new to my channel, I'm a licensed real estate agent. If you're looking to purchase a home in Port St. Lucie, Florida, or the surrounding areas, I encourage you to call me, text me, or shoot me an email to get started on your new home journey. As always, using me as a realtor when buying a new construction home does not cost you a thing, as the builder pays your agent's commission. If you go to the builders first and register, you will lose your right to be represented by a realtor throughout this process. When you step into a model home, you're entering a builder's sales office. Their agents represent the builder's best interests and not yours. Some great features to note about all the homes located here in Kenley is all of the driveways are going to be brick pavers, as well as all the windows and exterior doors are going to be hurricane impact resistant. This community is on natural gas, and one thing that's included with this builder, which is a standard feature in every home from Mattamy, is it comes with a tankless gas water heater. All these homes are constructed fully with concrete block, which is important for homeowners insurance in Florida. The Dahlia floor plan is absolutely stunning. This floor plan is a single-story home with a total of 2,300 square feet and has several options, which include the optional wine room, which could also be made into another storage closet if needed. This floor plan has many customizations if you choose to build a home instead of selecting a move-in ready one. One example of these options is the den can be converted into a 4th bedroom, or if you plan on adding a pool in the future, a pool bath might be a better option instead of the flex room located in the rear of the home. The base price for the floor plan starts at $473,990. The monthly homeowners association fees are around $390 per month. These fees include gated security, maintenance of common areas, amenities, as well as irrigation, lawn maintenance, and pest control, as well as the Tradition Master Association fee, which offers residents cable TV, internet, and a home security system. When you buy a home at Mattamy Homes, it does come with a limited 1-year warranty, and I have additional information on what that covers if you're interested. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Just to recap, if you're thinking about moving to Port St. Lucie, Florida, and want to explore these models, please text or call me first, as it does not cost you anything to use me as a realtor. Who would be better to represent you than somebody who owns a home built by Mattamy in the Tradition area? As your realtor, I'll guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tours and updates on the best properties around. See you next time.